Hey guys, I'm Mary Alice. This is the Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and today we're going to be finishing up the head gasket and the timing belt.
So I'm going to put the distributor in, and then do the valve cover gasket and the exhaust gaskets.
And while Mother is doing that, I'm going to be doing the oil change.
So on the distributor, I've made lines where the dizzy is and where I want it to end up, so that it's on cylinder 4 for the timing. Just like that. There. So now we're going to get at the valve cover. I put it on there just so that I could get the timing notch right with all the timing stuff. So now I'm going to put my gaskets on here. I put on the grommets. And the gasket. Making sure everything's in its spot. And there we go. So I'm going to put the valve cover bolts in. When we picked this up, it only had 3 bolts to begin with, so it was leaking oil everywhere. And I went and picked up some new ones. So I'm going to torque them down to 84 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds, inch-pounds. So the timing belt tensioner pulley is to 18 foot-pounds, but my torque wrench doesn't go down that low, so it is 216 inch-pounds.
Okay, so now I'll put in the spark plugs. And while I'm here, let's get that exhaust gasket on. Okay, lift this. Mom, you're up.
All right. Nope. There you go.
Thank you.
So now I'm going to put on the timing belt cover. Now I'm just going to tighten up the harmonic balancer here. So now that we've got that done, we're just going to finish up some other things, the rad, the fan.
And then we're going to just look it over and make sure we didn't miss any hoses or miss anything in general. So now that she's all done and filled with fluids and just collectively fixed, let's see how she goes and start her up.
So the timing belt and head gasket are a success. It took a really long time. A lot of hard work was put into this, but it worked out really well. It took a lot of research in order to know how to do this. It came along with all the cleaning and making sure that all the ports were cleaned and the valves were done, and it was an experience for sure. It wasn't not something I necessarily want to take on again, but sounds like I have a Suzuki Vitara to do as well. Took a little bit to refine the timing, make sure that everything was all good. It was a lot of fun, time consuming, but it was a lot of fun working with Mary Alice and teaching her how to do a little bit of mechanics. And well, this wasn't an easy job by any means for a first timer. And
so guys, it was actually a lot of fun. I learned a lot more than I thought that I would.
Well, that's it for this one.
We'll see you in the next one, guys.